today. I hope you are doing well. We have a jam-packed agenda and I wanted to bring you along with me for that day. But first, we are going to work out because I want to make sure that this is checked out of the way. And we are kind of in a hurry because I have a hair appointment today at 9:30 a.m. And since fitness is one of my priority, it helps me stay on track, ensure that I don't miss any workout, stay consistent, and help me achieve my fitness goal. Now we have all been sick, my family and I, for the past month, and I haven't been able to move my body as much as usual. But today we are back on track, and I actually want to reevaluate my fitness and self-care goals with you this afternoon. So we are going to do that together as well. Before we go work out, I want to do a fun and quick unboxing with you. Now you know that I love to try new workout clothes. Fanka actually kindly reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their product. So this part of the video is a collab with them, but my opinion are my own. Whenever I have a brand come out to me, I obviously do my research on them, and I was kind of intrigued by their 3D printing on their leggings. They are compressive from what I've understand. I also saw that Katie Holmes, now if you know this show, you know my age. I saw that Katie Holmes was candidly wearing them. Obviously wanted to try them and see what it was all about and let you guys know what I think of them. So we are going to work out, but first we're gonna do a quick try on with the leggings. So the pieces that I got were 2 pants and 1 sport bra, and I decided to go with neutral colors. But just so you know, on their website they have an array of colors and you will definitely be able to find the one that you are looking for. Many fun colors actually. I am going to show you guys on camera because I don't know how it's going to translate on my body, but this is the 3D printing that I was talking about. Okay, so this is the top that I got. I actually love all of the detailing on the top, and these are the tan leggings that I got. They have this booty lifting technology with the 3D print line on them. They are compressive, so just so you know, I went up a size from what I usually get, but like even a size up, and I feel like it actually really tuck you in. All right, now the black ones, it makes almost like a one piece. These are going to be incredible for our workout. This is compressive, it's going to hold you, it's not gonna move. Let's go work out in them. This was a really great workout. I like these kind of workouts that are intense but very short. As for the Fanka leggings and top, I actually was pretty surprised. I usually don't like to have longer length of top, but this one I really like it, and I really love the detailing on the top. As for the legging, I do understand why they say that they are supportive for your knees, for your legs or your muscle, and for the tummy compression, because they are compressive, and that's actually the type of leggings that you would go for if you were doing a net workout. If you are interested in getting anything from Fanka, they actually provided me with a code for you guys. If you get anything from Fanka, let me know. Otherwise, I have to go get a coffee before I go and get my hair done, and I actually want to show you what my hair inspo are. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm going to ask my hairdresser. I've been seeing her for the past 6 years and she's amazing. I want to go a little bit lighter. I'm definitely in need of a haircut, and also I want to have a little bit of change in my hair. Yeah, so I want something a little bit lighter. Here I still have 30 minutes to drink my coffee. We have to hurry up. Usually when I go to the hairdresser, it's like 3 or 4 hours. I'm gonna stop rambling right here because I love to talk to you guys, but we need to hurry. So I'm very excited. It looks good. we have lightened up the hair a little bit, and yeah, I love it. For the grocery, we have got baby cucumbers, avocados. We plan on doing some shrimp tacos for dinner tonight. I also got coleslaw to put in the shrimp tacos, and I make dressing with some orange. I'm gonna show that later on tonight. We've got sour bread, protein bar, red onions. I got this because I wanna reduce my alcohol intake, and I'm gonna get into this more later on when we do my goals anyway. But yeah, I got this, limes, protein granola, tomato for lunch, green onions, light flake tuna, cottage cheese. As for my hair, I think that in the car it was easier to tell, but they are definitely lighter and I love this. I think I'm gonna go and put on some sweatpants, a hoodie, and I might try to take a nap just because I feel really tired today. It was an amazing nap. It felt good. My dog is actually still sleeping. Now I am going to write down a few goals, like I said, that will help me get more direction into things that I want to prioritize over the next few weeks. These goal settings for myself is just to give me a sense of direction, motivation, and purpose. It also helps me prioritize my task, keep track of my progress, and achieve my goal realistically. I feel way more productive because I know what I am aiming for instead of just trying to do it all, because that's obviously not something that is healthy to want to be 110% in every single thing. So I divided them in 3 sections. So one is fitness. To me, fitness is a lot about being proud of myself, as in I can commit to something and I feel good when I do it, and I feel good when I see that I improve my weights when I train, or when I get more flexible when I do my yoga. So I want to be doing 3 weightlifting, 1 yoga or Pilates depending on how I feel, and 1 cycling workout. Then I have my mental health section where I want to meditate daily. The reason why I want to meditate daily is because it really helps me to set my day, ground myself before the day starts. Okay, the next one I put this in mental health because I know that alcohol isn't good for anyone. It's actually poison and it's really affecting our body. Now, I'm not going to say that I will cut out alcohol entirely in my diet. Lately, having a glass of wine became an excuse for a good day, a bad day, a good meal. I'm someone who loves a good glass of wine with my meals. So what I decided to write is to reduce my alcohol intake. And the next category would be life. Limit my consumption of screen time before bed, to read at least 10 minutes of book per day. The reason why I love to read books, it's proven scientifically that reading a book is good to enhance critical thinking, problem solving skills, as well as creativity. So all of these are things that I want to get even better in 2024. Obviously there are other things, like, I'm a mom and my daughter is priority number 1, but these things are things that are going to help me fill my cup and feel better about myself. So I highly suggest that you stop and think about the reason why you're doing your goals, instead of just saying, I want to get shred, I want to get abs. Try to see what's the underlying reason why you're doing these. It's 5 past 4 and I need to go get my daughter. I will see you later.